Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Soul of Yogi, and today we are going to work on beginner core work or abdominal workout. So it's basically a yogic workout related to your abdominal region and your core work, and it's only for 10 minutes. So feel free to do this every single day. If you don't have time, at least do twice in a week. So without wasting the time, let's begin this class now.
More deeper. So this time you can just touch your palm to your feet here and just leaning and bring yourself back. So you can just touch, continue, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Drop your feet, hug your thighs. So this time maybe you can lift your feet up. So continue doing this for 10, 9, 8, 7. Open the chest. Remember that, not hunching your back. 3, 2, and 1. Drop whatever you're using. Cross your leg. Leaning forward, finding your plank. Stay there. So finding your plank, check your hip is in line with the shoulder. Pressing the palm, lifting the shoulder blades away from each other. Staying in your plank. For next 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly dropping your knees and sitting down on your feet. So lifting up and just swinging your hip to the right and to the left. So keeping your feet and your arms same way, working on your side of the belly, side of your trunk. Continue doing this for 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly resting here. So whenever you're resting, you can press your forearm down, open the chest, lower plank same way, and just lifting your hip and down. Continue. Keep the core is engaged, and you're trying to feel like somebody is pulling your tailbone up and then dropping it down the same line, not moving front and back. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then from here, just moving your right knee to your right elbow, maybe your triceps, and continue. Switching your leg. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your knee, and then you can relax side to relax the shoulder. Or same way you can just move your wrist, maybe rotating. And then from here, keep that hip is lifting, shoulders are in, and just straight your right leg. So just lifting your right leg up and try to touch. Very good. So you can feel below your navel, around your psoas. Continue. 4, 5. Keep your leg straight. 8, 9, and 10. Bend your knee, relax. So remember, as long as you keep moving your leg, you're lifting your pelvis more higher. It should not going down, it should become higher. So maybe start with the lower and then keep moving higher with your hip and your pelvis. So lifting up first, adjust yourself first, and then straight your leg. So continue. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring yourself back. If you feel too much stretch around your belly, maybe you can hug your thighs So you will be relaxed. You can just bring your both leg up. So this time you need hand support. And just going down. So we will do this together. If you are comfortable with the both leg, try with me. Otherwise you can use only one leg. So we will do this twice. So one leg at a time. If you're doing with the one leg, otherwise continue with the both leg. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bending your knee and relax yourself. Remember, you can hug your thighs if you are feeling a stretch around your belly, your abdominal region. But stay wherever you are, and this time you're lifting your head and the shoulder, reaching towards your knee with the fingers, your palm, and going back and down. So we'll do this same 10 times, but try to look up, not looking towards your head. Maybe your neck will have a stress too much, so trying to look up in this way. So continue moving up and down. 2, moving slow. Find your upper part of your abdominal region around your diaphragm. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly relax. We will move into the next exercises. So take your hands over your head towards the floor and just swing your hands to the right, both hands working on your left side of your trunk. Bring yourself back and switch. Continue for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring yourself back. So keeping your both hands over your head on the floor. Right leg is straight, so your right leg coming up, your left hand touched your feet, lifting the head, and bring yourself back. Continue doing this for one side. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring yourself back, resting here for 5 to 10 seconds. If you're breathing fast, remember breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, and then switching your leg. 1. Maybe you cannot touch your toes to your fingers. Maybe you're reaching to your ankle, your shin, that's fine. As long as you lift the shoulder and your head. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring yourself back, relax your toes, and lift your head and the shoulder. Remember, you're looking up. So continue. Maybe you cannot reach your toes, that's fine. Maybe you can. Continue. Legs are opening with a hip distance, or maybe keeping them together. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly relax yourself. Breathe in and breathe out. Last 2 exercises. And lift your elbows up so your elbows are facing to the ceiling and your feet is lifting. So your feet are floating here. Knees are opening with a hip distance. Knees coming close to your elbow. Elbow is lifting the shoulder and the head. And touch your toes down and continue. 2. Same, doing this for 10 also. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax yourself, breathe in and breathe out, bringing your all the energy together, and prepare yourself for the last exercise. Then you will have time to take rest. So lifting the elbows again up, and this time you're touching your opposite knee to your opposite elbow. So maybe your feet are lifting, or maybe on the floor, and just lifting once and switching the leg. Maybe your key floating your feet, and a little bit harder So you're breathing deep into your core. Continue 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax yourself here. Breathe in and breathe out for next 30 seconds. So in through the nose, out through your mouth. So finding your normal breath, straight your leg. Or if you feel any kind of tension on your lower back, feel free to move. So you can just keep your knees bent, moving your knees to the right, turning your head to the left. Keep the shoulders down on the floor to relax and feel the twist. Breathing into the center, breathing out, switching your head, switching your knees.
So after completing this sequence related to abdominal region, feel free to practice every day and you can get into the shape. So try every single day, or if you don't have time, try according to your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a beautiful day. Hari Om.